Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. If you're new to us, we create these videos to help educate people like you about DIY pest control. If you want to learn more and get your professional pesticides for fungus gnat control, visit our website by clicking the link in the description below. The fungus gnat is a tiny fly with thin legs and wings resembling a mosquito. As their name would suggest, they're commonly feeding off of decaying organic material, such as fungi. Fungus gnats thrive indoors because of good moisture levels and can grow their populations into large numbers rapidly. Identification is one of the most important steps in pest control. You want to make sure that what you're actually treating for is fungus gnats. Fungus gnats can often be mistaken for mosquitoes just because of their similar appearance. The adult fungus gnat is very small, typically around 1/8 of an inch in length. They will usually be dark brown to black in color. Their long legs, wings, and antennae are features that will help you distinguish them from other common flying pests, like fruit, drain, and phorid flies. They resemble mosquitoes, but a key difference is fungus gnats do not bite. So if you see them land on you and go in for a meal, it's definitely not a fungus gnat. It's also important to recognize the fungus gnat larvae. Fungus gnat larvae have worm-like bodies. They can be up to 1/4 of an inch long and have dark, shiny heads. Remember, click the link below for your fungus gnat control guide and to get your professional products. Also, please don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. I'm Jason Baker with Solutions Pest and Lawn. Ask us how, then do it yourself.